Hey guys, this video is to show you how to hook up your Blue Yeti microphone to your Xbox One X. First of all, you'll need these items. You need your controller, a headset adapter, a 3.5mm mic splitter cable, and a 3.5mm male-to-male cable. All of these things can be found on either Argos or Amazon, but you do need all of these things to actually be able to get your Blue Yeti to work. Step 1 is to plug your Blue Yeti microphone into one of the USB ports in the back of your Xbox. You should then see the red light come on. It will flash when it's muted, and it will be a solid red when it is on and recording your voice. Plug your Xbox One headset adapter into your Xbox One controller. Then take your mic splitter cable and put the single end into the bottom of your headset adapter and take the opposite ends, and you'll see that one has got a picture of a microphone and the other one has a picture of a headset. This one is the microphone and this second one is the headset. That shows you where to plug it into. So you then take your male-to-male cable, plug one into the bottom of your Blue Yeti. You'll see the hole there, and the next one goes into the microphone adapter right there. Next, take your headset cable and you plug that into your splitter cable also. Okay, so once those steps are completed, you turn on your Xbox, and the best way to check that it's picking up the sound is to make sure the red light on your Blue Yeti is not flashing, and select Party Chat. Then if you see the white ring coming up around your gamer tag, that is every time it's picking up the sound of your voice or any noise coming through the microphone. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I hope it's been useful. Please click like and comment down below to let me know if it has actually helped you. It would be good to know. So thank you very much guys, see you later.